Woohoo! That is a gustnado. Woohoo! Get out, get out. Oh my word. Tell you what, this line is pretty wild. I've never seen a line this long at Sam's Club. See, visibility is continuing to go down. Snow is progressively getting heavier. Woohoo! Again, everybody, we're here in Three Rivers, Michigan right now. This is the intersection at M60 and 131. You can see the roads are getting relatively covered in slush. It looks like plows are trying to take care of the 131 corridor pretty adamantly, I guess you could say. I have boots. I'm just wearing my Crocs because the snow isn't that thick yet. All right, we're gonna follow my dad in his two-wheel drive car over to Sturgis, Michigan. My school will be getting out right at this time. This is Sturgis, Michigan right now. There is a heavy band of snow making its way through this area. We're gonna be following this north up towards Menden region and then eventually making our way back up into Vicksburg to continue our coverage of this winter storm. Road conditions like these can be treacherous, which is why we value the opportunity to provide coverage of these events on the ground as they happen. Thanks to all subscribers for their support, and I would encourage new viewers to help us reach 1,500 subscribers. So whether you live in the Great Lakes region or love storm chasing, consider subscribing. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. We got dicey road conditions today. Visibility really goes down in those open field areas. In the woods like this, not too bad, but as you get into open fields, that's where it gets pretty dicey. We're on our way to meet up with someone for some disc golf. Hefty, snowy weather. We're gonna hit up the lakeshore soon. Looks like it's been cleared, but there's a lot of ruts there. I'm gonna go a little bit further than that. Got someone shoveling or snow blowing. Yeah, this one's been plowed at least one way, the way I need to go. Okay, it hasn't been plowed. Cool. Just have to take it a little slower. Hey, it looks like there's still some road. Gustnado right there, Gustnado! Woo! Woohoo! That is a Gustnado. Look at that thing. All right, everybody, this is Vince. He's going to be playing frisbee golf with us today. And I'm going to lock my car real quick.
High crime area.
Yeah. This is pretty out here, it even seems like.
What we're going to do is short pads. So there are actually two pads for each hole, longs and shorts. The shorts
Gotcha.
is like a putter, ace run. Oh, hurts to rotate my back.
You got this.
Oh gosh, yeah. That's all right.
You got a pretty good throw, though.
Yeah.
Probably better than my first throw. I'm horrible at disc golf.
Give me to hold that for you.
Sure. Alternate.
Keep that arm straight.
All right. This might be a little long, but okay.
Yeah, you're all right.
So, here we go.
Grip it hard. There you go. Hey, you're over the road.
All right. See if I can score right here. Oh, no way. No way.
Wait.
Oh, shoot. Come on, R2.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
That's great.
The gloves like latched.
That's great. Oh yeah, you're playing with the gloves, man. You're nuts.
You gotta be kidding me. Going strong.
See, knock the snow off the disc.
Oh, the X hole's right there. Okay. It's a lot powdery. More powdery here.
Try again. Oh, this snow is heavy. This is great. That's all right. So, you try to throw up. Not vomit, but throw up.
That is some deep snow, I tell ya. Dipsy doodle, here we go. That right there is a dipsy doodle. Trees are playing golf.
Ah. Get it!
Oh.
Oh, so close. You hit 2 trees.
I did.
You hit 2 trees
Not
that time.
one, but
That's impressive, man.
Yeah. All right.
I was laughing when that came out.
I know.
The Eagle Scouts are putting in a Gaga pit up here.
Oh, sweet.
Or I can take it if you whatever. All right. I sneezed in that towel earlier. What do you think of Kiwanis so far?
What?
What do you think of Kiwanis so far?
Pretty hype.
Yeah.
I'm coming south of Battle Creek right now. Look at how heavy the snow just got. Hello to those who are watching live. We're on US 131 heading north right behind a snowplow. We're going to probably get off M43, head towards South Haven, where the expectation is that there will be the potential for some thunder snow, as well as waves up to 20 feet with the strong winds coming over the lake. I am joined today by 2. We have Mr. Connor, and then we have Brooke. First time chasing here. Penguin plunge. This is slick. Sharon Peters says, "Hey, girlfriends," but there's 2 guys in the car.
What's up, girl? Act like Mr. Beast, the
Mr.
YouTuber.
Mm-hmm.
He does like, I don't know.
Hey guys, in this video, we got stuck in a ditch for 3 days. We lived off beef sticks, chicken nugs, and French fries.
The last
Make
one
sure
to
to like
survive
and
gets
subscribe.
$10.
Have you guys ever experienced a guy that posts his lawn in his underwear?
Yes.
What?
Everybody I talked to was like, yes, I know that guy. Or not know them, but like they see him. I saw it on my own with my mom.
Oh.
Like my family. We drove by and we're like, oh.
Land of the free.
The slush caked up on this. That's actually not too good. Wow. Check that out. This is much higher than last time I was here. This is way higher. The seagulls fighting the wind here. Whew. Connor, how do you like it? Love it. Love it? Brooke, how you liking your first chase? Ah. The seagulls, look at the seagulls right here. Ha. They're just chilling. Woo! No, we are not. Uh-oh. He touched it. Oh, that one's gonna crash right into that. Look at that.
That's big, yeah.
These waves are huge.
It's awesome when it crashes into the
So perspective here, when Steven and Chris and I came up here, that pole, you could walk 30 feet farther and still be dry. So there's a lot more of a surge here. Seems like a great time for a polar bear swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder why that's the case. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. There we go. Oh, there you go. Build a sandcastle. There you go, Connor. Guys, build that sandcastle. Castle on a cliff. There it is. Castle big find to go out there. Oh, look at that one! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Get out, get out. Clear. That was wild. What in the world? Oh yeah. That could be. No! Oh! Did not catch that on video.